Hey, good morning traders and welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester. Today on this video, let's go to have this live trading session and start again with this two strategy, and let's go to fact what is gonna be the best points to take the trades, searching support and resistance, waiting for that opportunities and taking the trades. So I really hope so this video can help you to understand how to use this strategy and be right about with binary options. So let's rock with this video. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is replace my withdrawal, and let's go to start again with $500. And this is because I receiving a lot of questions about, well, you have a bigger balance. For the reason is you can have risk much money, more money, and be more writable. But the truth is sometimes we need to start with a good balance. So $500 I consider it is a good balance to trade. To confirm, continue. I'm gonna receive an email from Pocket Option like this one here. Says, "Dear Lester, you have a pending withdrawal and the amount is for $500. So right now I can start my trading session and let's go to do it. For those who ask me about if I gonna share again my social trading, the answer is no, because many don't understand how is the way this works. When we have profits, we request withdrawal. When we have losses, we need to understand it's normal to have losses in waiting for the good days. So let's go to using this two strategy to trading and searching a good methods to generate more and more profits with this two strategy for binary options. Remember, the rules is continue doing the same. We follow the trend. We trade in the moment they crossing the moving average, the stochastic, and the RSI going to the down direction, and this means we can trade for a put in a simple and easy strategy for binary options. But in this video I telling you how we can identify a good downtrend or support resistance to take the trade. So let's go to wait close to this and waiting to see how ending. Come on, I need to have profits. Change the direction in the last seconds. It was in the money in the last second. So let's go to search. Maybe we can have here trend line. Okay, we have a trend line here, and this is the way we can identify a good trend for us. So we have a good trend here. Let's go to using the maximums. This one here, 1 2 3, cross it, and I believe it's gonna have another down push up, so we are gonna take it for $200. You can see it, cross it right now. So we trade for $200 and waiting for, and we have the trend, we have to the stochastic, we have to the RSI. So we have a good confirmations with this second trade. We take it right now with this strategy. Remember, I was my withdrawal $500, and right now I'm trading again, and I really hope so to maybe reach it right now, the $1,000 in profits. What do you need to be writable with binary options? First thing, the most important is have a self-control. Don't make it out over trading, because this is the huge mistake we made all the time, and sometimes we made it a lot over trading, trying to recover a few losses we can have in a few minutes, and we're trying to recover that money, so we can have losses in that moment. So we have the first one and respected 2-3 times, and that's the thing that I'm waiting for, and I consider it maybe continue going to the downtrend. So let's go check it out, the charts in 15 minutes. And 15 minutes is different, but we have a downtrend. Definitely we have a downtrend. This is the trend line. I don't want to delete it, but I'm gonna use another one to identify this another downtrend. Okay, the maximums here never touch it, but start going down and waiting for to cross it the 200 moving average, and that we have our confirmation. So searching or change the time frame to 15 seconds. Okay, this is the first line we're using. We have a downtrend in short periods, so we need to try to search this type of confirmations before to take the trade. Here the market is consolidating, more information, more money, and waiting for to change the direction or going to the down direction again. So for that reason is we taking opportunities for put, because this is the trend we have. So maybe we can enter here again, but I think if I take the trade right now, it can be too late for me. Well, let's go to search another type of scenario to show you more examples about this. Definitely this is the good one, because I never take this type of trade. The 3 moving average are so close, so it's a risk for me telling you take this trade for up or down direction. So don't do it. Avoid this market. So let's go to third, search more scenarios. If I don't have more scenarios, we stop right now. We made a good profits in the short periods. Okay, in the short periods, but it's because I have experience with this strategy. But if you don't have experience and it's the first time you're gonna using it, practice, you're gonna have a better eye to see the opportunities the market sometimes giving to us. Let's go to search now. I'm always looking the best payout. Why trading with the OTC? Because have the best payouts. The strategy works. Sometimes the market is shit, but the strategy really works. This was a good one, but just like so right now we don't have too much opportunities to continue with this trading session. Have patience. You can trade only with one trade, with one currency pair, with one currency pair, waiting to have the chance to market giving always new entries. So relax, doesn't affect too much. Let's go to search or looking at them 15 minutes, and we have a downtrend. So don't confuse with this. We have a downtrend here. Looking in 15 seconds, looks like maybe, but no. Look at the 200 moving average is too close right now. Just crossing a few minutes ago, this one. So maybe trade with this can be a risk. My advice is search stronger downtrends or uptrends to have a better condition in the market to generate profits. So guys, we don't have too much chances right now to waiting for more opportunities in the market. I really hope so this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next wave.